Hi, my name is Christabelle, CBS DIY Specialist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your doorknob. To start, use a screwdriver to remove the current knob from the interior side of the door. Once that's done, you'll be able to pull the knob from both sides of the door. Next, to disconnect the latch, remove the screws located on the edge of the door. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and install the new doorknob. To demonstrate, we'll be using the Kwikset SmartKey system. This system features rekey technology, which allows you to rekey the lock yourself in seconds. It also protects against common break-in methods by being pick resistant and bump proof. If your new system comes pre-assembled like this one, disconnect the knobs without removing the screws. To accomplish this, twist the side with the holes and pull to separate the knobs. Set the knobs aside for now. Hold the latch in front of the door hole, with the latch face flush against the door edge. If the latch holes are centered in the door hole, no adjustment is required. Insert the latch into the chiseled door edge, with the slant of the latch bolt facing the door frame. Then insert your screws. First, install the exterior knob by pressing the latch bolt. Align the round edges of the interior knob with the centerpiece of the exterior knob. To catch the screws, twist the interior knob counterclockwise, push, then twist clockwise. Push up on the knob while tightening the screws to keep the latch horizontal and centered. Test your knob to make sure everything is installed correctly. That's all there is to replacing your doorknob. Visit us at CBS Bahamas so we can help you build beautiful.